Hello guys, welcome again in a new video. If you're watching this video, then I am sure my friend you have been stuck due to unlock your smartphone and you are not able to unlock your smartphone. So don't worry at all. In this video I will give you a new trick. By this trick you don't have to go any service center of any smartphone and you don't need any computer application to unlock your smartphone. Within few minutes I will give you some new tricks to unlock your smartphone. So all the data of your smartphone will be remains as it is as in your phone. So watch this video till the end. Okay, and if my previous video didn't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. The new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked. Okay, and further in this video I will also tell you why sometimes the method what I gives you don't work on your smartphone. Okay, before reveal this method there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be less than 30%, otherwise whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method you should fully battery charge of your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can also use your phone's charger at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you that this method updates every month. Okay, so if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this video, then you can also take help of my upcoming videos, or you may also take help of my older videos, and for this you must subscribe to the channel. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This give us a lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you, my friend. Okay, first of all, whenever your phone is locked you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning the method mentioning in and applying it to your locked smartphone, my friend. As you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. It means firstly you will have to switch off your all the network of your smartphone, like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network. So how will you switch off your all the network? So simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this, and you will get a lots of keys here. You can see here. So you can also see here there is an option of airplane mode. Okay, and it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to activate this flight mode option to close all the network. Now you can see here, after activating this airplane mode option, my phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network has been switched off. Now my phone is ready to go with the method what I'm going to give you to unlock your smartphone. But before going to this unlocking method, one more thing you will have to do with your phone, and the main thing is that your phone's all the background running applications should be closed. And generally it is not possible to close the background running application when your phone is locked and if you have forgotten your locked. Okay, but there are some secret code which generated by the all service center to close the background running application when your phone is locked, and these type of secret code updates within 2 or 3 days. So recent secret code what I'm going to give you will have to feed this secret code in your dialing pad. So how will you activate your dialing pad? So simply you will have to click on this emergency SOS option, and when you will click on this emergency SOS option, your dialing pad will be activated like this. Now the secret code to close the running application what I am going to give you will have to feed this secret code in your dialing pad, and recent secret code to close your running application is star 777, then star 2469, then star 000, then hash. After feeding this secret code you will have to call on this secret code, and at the first time when you will call on this secret code you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply you don't have to, or simply you will have to ignore this pop-up with the OK button, and again continued you will have to call on this secret code 3 times continuously. After call on this secret code 3 times continuously, it means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. Now simply you will have to clear this secret code like this. Now after clearing this secret code, I am going to give you a special USSD code to reach to the engineers mode or master unlocking mode. So this USSD code is star hash 899 then hash. Remember this number, star hash 899 and hash. After clicking on this number, you can see here a new page has been appeared on my phone display, and the page name is after sales page, and it's also known as engineers mode page. Okay, so don't go with the name, simply you will have to do with your phone to unlock your smartphone. Okay, now you can see here there are lots of options on this page. Okay, now you can see here at the 5th number the option is showing here software version. So simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, a new page will be appear on your phone display. You can see here software version page has been appeared. Now the first option is showing here your phone's model number. You don't have to go with your phone's model number. Simply you can see here, so second option is showing here Android version 13. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 10, 11 or 12. Okay, if your phone is showing here Android version 12, it means you will have to click on this Android version option 12 times. But here my phone is showing here Android version 13. It means I will have to click on this Android version option 13 times, but rapidly. Mark my words, you will have to click on this option rapidly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Sorry, 13. It means the first step of unlocking method has been done. After this, after that you will have to go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page. You can see here that second another option of a manual test is showing here above the software version. So simply you will have to go with this manual test option, and when you will click on this manual test option, a new page will be appeared on your phone's display. You can see here the page name is engineers mode page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. After this, you will have to simply slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the page of other. Okay, now at the end of slide, you can see here the other page has been appeared on my phone display, and there are also a 5 type of option on this page. You can see here. Now you can see here at the 4th number, the option is showing here main board version. It may be possible your phone will be showing here at the 4th number database version, but both the option have the same functions but the different names. So don't worry about the name. Simply you will have to click on this main board version or database version 10 times rapidly like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the second step has been done. Now you can see here at the second number, the option is showing here read write important log test. Now after this, you will have to go with this option, read write important log test option, and at the first time when you will click on this read write important log test option, you will reach to a new page and you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm this at the first time. You will have to cancel this option. Again at the second time you will have to do the same step, and the third time you will have to do the same step. But at the 4th time when you will go with this read write important log test option, at the 4th time you will have to give a command of a OK button. After continue with the OK button, it means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Now the very last step what I'm going to give you is most important. After this last step, your phone will be unlocked without any data loss and without any computer software. Okay, now after this you will have to simply slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. You can see here, my friend, the device debugging has been appeared on my phone display. Now you can see here there are also lots of options on this page. You can see with me. But at the 6th number, you can see here there is an option of a sensor self-test and calibration option. You can see here. So simply you will have to go with this sensor self-test and calibration option, and at the first time when you will click on this sensor self-test calibration option, you will reach to a new page, and you will also get a 3 type of option or 2 type of option or a single option on your phone display. So don't worry at all. If you are getting a 2 type of option, you will get all the option is showing here operation not started. So simply you will have to start these operation by clicking on this option. Okay, now you can see here I'm going to click on this option, and you will have to continue click on this option until you get a single test passed message. I'm going to show you how you will get a single test passed message. So I'm going to click here. Now you can see here test has been started, but a test failed message has been pop up here. The second option showing here test has been started but test failed. Third option test has been started, but the third option I got a test passed message. Okay, it means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my smartphone. My phone has been completely unlocked. Now how will I check whether my phone has been unlocked or not? Now you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone showing here. So simply you will have to click on this home button to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So I'm going to click here. You can see with me. So my friend, you can see here my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the application which were in my phone when my phone was locked as it is as in my phone. It means this trick and this method really works. And if your phone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. And if your phone could not unlock with the help of this video, then don't worry, comment us in my comment box. Our team will quick respond on your issues. Thank you so much. So see you in the next video.